Why do you wake up exhausted after 8 hours? You give your body what it asks for after all. You eat clean, you cut back on caffeine and late night screens, and yet, despite the 8 hours, you wake up drained, groggy, and if you're honest, a little bit resentful. If that sounds familiar, this video's for you. I'm breaking down the 3 hidden reasons even a full night's sleep's not refueling you, and exactly how to fix it starting tonight. I'm Matt Farr, and over the last 20 years I've helped countless people to beat fatigue, fix broken sleep, and reclaim their energy through my books, courses, and coaching. Now, this dissatisfying sleep problem, it's more common than you think. I've had clients hit this exact wall, and I've been through it myself, so believe me when I say it's fixable. Here's what no one tells you though. Just because you've slept 8 hours doesn't mean that your body's regenerated and recovered, as you well know. Sleep isn't just clocking hours, it's about repair. Think of it like charging your phone. If the cable's frayed, it doesn't matter how long you leave it plugged in, it just won't charge. So let's look at what might be going wrong and explore 3 likely explanations. These are the 3 hidden sleep saboteurs. Saboteur 1, the fragmented sleep cycles. Now here's something most people don't realize. Not all sleep is equal. It's not just about how long you sleep. It's about what stages your brain and body reach during sleep. You cycle through different stages of sleep throughout the night that offer different benefits. And the 2 most important are deep sleep and REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep. Deep sleep is the body's repair zone. This is when your muscles recover, your immune system repairs, and growth hormone is released. It's vital for physical recovery and feeling energized the next day. REM sleep is when your mind and emotions are reset. You process emotions, file memories, balance mood, and restore neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Without REM, your brain stays foggy, reactive, and unrefreshed. Now here's the problem. If either of these stages are fragmented, it's like watching a film where the middle and end keep glitching out. You get the opening scenes, but the real plot, the resolution, the part that makes it all make sense, you miss it night after night. So you are left feeling off by the end of it. And most people don't even realize they're missing the most important parts. So what breaks up these important stages of the sleep cycle? Here's 3 common causes. Scrolling late at night, which keeps your brain overstimulated. Blue light from screens, which suppresses melatonin and delays deep sleep. And alcohol, which while it might make you drowsy, it also destroys REM sleep. So what's the fix? Create a 60-minute tech blackout before bed. No screens, no stimulation. Let your brain and body wind down so that they can actually enter deep and REM states that are needed for your full recovery. Now I'd say 60 minutes, but ideally it's more like 90 or even 2 hours. And of course, avoid alcohol during the hours before bed. Now, to better understand what you should do instead of screens during that 60-minute window in order to aid sleep, I would suggest that you grab a free copy of my sleep recovery cheat sheet, where I outline several strategies to prepare the body and mind to get restorative, refreshing sleep. Just comment sleep in the comments below and I'll send you a copy. Saboteur number 2, elevated cortisol at night. Here's one most people miss. You're lying in bed, but your nervous system is still in that team meeting. Overthinking, late night emails, hardcore workouts at 8 PM. So your body pumps cortisol and you stay stimulated, right when it's supposed to be winding down. And that spike, it often jolts you awake at 3 to 5 in the morning. Or you stay asleep and you wake up wired and wiped the next morning. One way to help fix this is before going to bed, use a simple breathwork practice that helps put your body into wind down mode. One method is 4-7-8 breathing. This is a simple breathing pattern that shifts your body from sympathetic fight-flight to parasympathetic rest and repair mode in under a minute. Here's how to do it. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, filling your belly, not your chest. Now hold that breath for 7 seconds. This pause slows your heart rate and signals safety to your body. And exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. This is the rest phase that turns on your parasympathetic system. And repeat this for 4 to 6 rounds. Now this is just one approach. For other useful pre-bed strategies for calming the nervous system before sleep, check out my video on why you wake up at 4 AM every night, where I cover 3 other methods you can use before sleep. Whichever strategy you use, the goal is simply to tell your nervous system you can clock off now. Saboteur 3, circadian chaos. Even if REM is smooth, stress is calm, your sleep rhythm may still be wrecked. Because your body runs on a clock and yours may be out of sync. It's known as the circadian clock or circadian rhythm. And when this is off, so is your sleep. Your body simply won't recover, rejuvenate, and regenerate during sleep. And you'll wake up feeling like you never slept. Your circadian clock relies on correct signals in order to remain on point. So here are two common causes that may be throwing your body clock out of sync. No morning sunlight, and the second, your sleep and wake times are all over the place, constantly changing every day. These leave your internal clock confused, like it's still on holiday in a different time zone. So the fix for these is simple. Get outside within 30 to 60 minutes of waking, 5 to 10 minutes of natural light, even if it's cloudy, and go to bed and wake up at more or less the same times every single day, including weekends. Now I can already sense your resistance to that one, but honestly, if you're serious about waking up refreshed and energized every morning, you have little choice. You can't defy your biological needs any more than you can defy gravity. It can be a serious game changer, so I encourage you to do it for at least 7 to 10 days. And once you feel the effects, you won't want to stop. These simple acts anchor your circadian rhythm, so your body knows what time it is and when to power down. If you found this video helpful so far, hit like so I know to make more videos like this again in the future. So let's wrap this up. You don't need more sleep, you need better sleep. Fix your REM, calm your cortisol, and reset your circadian rhythm. Because deep energy doesn't start with what you do, it starts with how you recover. If you want more videos like this, hit subscribe and activate the bell so that you are notified when I release another video. I release them all the time.